Hello human bodies. Welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. So buddies, when I try to import this photo in my Photoshop, it shows this error. If I import any other photo, it's imported without any problem. So let's see why this photo is not importing, and how to fix this error. If we check this photo properties, it is in webp file format. This photo format is not supported by Photoshop, so we need to convert this photo into JPEG or PNG format. Search online for webp to JPEG convert. Open the first website. Now click on Choose Files and select the photo from your PC. The photo is not uploading. Let's try this again. Nothing is happening. I think this website is not working at the moment. So try to convert this photo on any other website. This website name is cloudconvert.com. Now click on Select File. Locate the file from your PC. This website is great. You can choose different file format here. Now click on Convert and wait for a second. The photo is converted. You can download this photo now. After downloading the photo, open downloaded file location and import the photo in your Photoshop. As you can see, the photo is imported to Photoshop without any error. Now you can edit this photo. I hope you understand. Consider to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.